I'm Ryan Kittleson. I'm a digital designer, 3D modeler, sculptor, artist. Designers are always looking for ways that they can interface with their creations more directly, and also ways that I can exaggerate or slightly make the image even better. For this project, I used the touch from 3D Systems. Feel where objects are and move objects around much more naturally than you could with a mouse. One thing that's special about the touch is it gives you force feedback. So if you move the cursor through space and it hits a 3D object, you really feel where that object is. So the touch works with a special 3D Systems software, Cubify Sculpt. Everything is set up to create objects that are suited for 3D printing. You can just express yourself and have fun with it. It's great for any physical artistic media, really, and I think that's going to be a great thing for artists.